Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. ANGELLE here, what it do? And today you guys, I'm coming at you with another unboxing. So if you would like to see what I got, then keep on watching. Okay. Alright you guys, so as I said, here's another unboxing you guys. This is from a brand that I have never I've never ordered from. I've never had one of these. So I saw this and I was like, it's kind of cute. So all I did was pull the little strip that was right here, okay? So I got this item from Saks. I think I got a really good deal on it. Yeah. This was $87.50, and with tax I paid $94.51. Pretty darn good deal, huh? Less than $100. Here is the bag. Hold on, let me put this down. Alright you guys, so here is the bag. As you can see, this is a Longchamp bag. Let's see how you just rip it open, I guess. This is the girl. I'm gonna put it on the screen, okay? But this is the city bag. I do know that, okay? But I'm gonna put it on the screen, okay? Okay, and I think it was only in black. It might have been a navy too. Don't quote me, y'all. I be looking at so much stuff. But I got it in black, and it's like a leather feel. It's not the... What is the material of the other Longchamp bags? It's not canvas, but you know what I'm talking about. That kind of material. This has silver hardware. This is so stinking cute. It is a mini bag. It is a lot smaller than I thought. I thought it was going to be, you know, a little bit taller. So, yeah. Okay. So it comes with this little clasp right here. It buttons like this. So you open that. It just has one little handle right here. Right here it does say Longchamp. I will show you guys, okay? Okay, it does have this little pull tab right here that's in this like natural color, tan color. That's cute. Okay, so we're gonna open it. Pull the stuffing out. It just has the Longchamp card. There are no pockets or anything in this. It's just a open hole. I thought that I was going to be able to... Clearly I've been doing too much. I be shopping too much. I know for a fact I saw one that was similar to this that you could crossbody, because I thought I could use this as like a crossbody bag, but no. But you know what? This turned out better than I expected, because I was going to order something else for another purpose, and now I can just use this. So it all works out, okay? But this is cute. This is the little bag. I am disappointed that this is not what I thought it was, but that's my fault, because I be doing the most, okay? But it does have the little silver hardware. It has the little horse on here. It says Longchamp on the pull tab. This is cute. It does not say Longchamp or anything on the actual, this part of the pull tab, but just on this little silver piece it does. It's cute. It's cute. It's just not what I thought it was. For under $100, and it's leather. if this works out for my other purpose of what I was going to order the other one for, then score. Otherwise, I really don't think I have a use for this personally. Now, you could use this as a cute little like catch-all in your larger bags. Yeah, you can put your, your wallet and your necessities, your chargers, everything in here. And then when you need to do a quick run, you just pull this out of your bag and go. But I don't know. Is this a fail? I don't know. It's only a fail if it doesn't work for my other purpose, okay? I really thought that... I really thought, like, seriously, I knew this size, this width is fine. I thought that it would be a little taller, and I thought it had a strap to it. That's legit what I thought. And I was like, I could have me another cute little crossbody bag. The hunt continues, you guys. The hunt continues. But nonetheless, this is so cute and adorable. And looking at it, I don't know if it's going to work for my other intended purpose. What would I use this for? I mean, I still would wear this as a bag. Truth be told, I will go right out and will. Because it is so cute. You guys, that concludes this very quick unboxing. I don't know how we feel about this. Let me know. Do we keep this? Do we return it? I don't know. But thank you guys so very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your girl. I love you guys so very much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.